Ask an Expert Peer delivers fast technical help for SAP solutions through peer-to-peer conversations in a unified support experience. It's easy to collaborate on your low to medium priority how-to questions through one-on-one interactions with a qualified and approved expert outside of SAP. With Ask an Expert Peer, you benefit from industry-experienced experts who provide solutions to your questions at no additional cost. Ask an Expert Peer includes SAP SuccessFactors solutions, SAP ERP, and finance-related products, and is now integrated into SAP OneSupport Launchpad for a streamlined omnichannel experience. Getting started is quick and easy. Start a new incident in SAP OneSupport Launchpad. Find an expert using the Ask an Expert Peer button and collaborate with a peer to reduce your wait time for response and resolution. Once a conversation is over, you can rate your expert to help us improve your user experience. The completed session details are now available for later reference. If your issue is not resolved in your Ask an Expert Peer session, you can choose to continue as an incident. Your chat is automatically saved in an incident, so there's no need to reiterate your issue to an SAP support engineer. If you need further assistance, you can submit an incident or book a session through the Schedule an Expert service. Manage all your active peer chats under the new tile called Ask an Expert Peer, View Session List. See the FAQ for more details on Ask an Expert Peer.